Hey guys, Mike It Yourself here. I'm just doing some follow-up here on a suggestion that I received on the proper alignment for my shifter, my heel toe shifter. I don't know if I explained it well, but for the front shifter, I had to move it to the outer side because if I put it here, it hits this kind of peg mount deal that was there because of the forward controls. And here I'm like super close. If I push down hard enough, it'll tap this, but there's enough room for me to actually shift into first gear. Here's the alignment of things. And so the suggestion was it should be 90 degrees to the linkage. And I'm not sure if that's feasible with this setup just because of the lack of room. And I had to put that arm there in order to put the extension on. That would allow this to drop down far enough to effectively use the heel shifter. I did look at potentially flipping the this mount, but it got in the way even more. So this was the optimal setup. If you have a suggestion, like if you can help clarify this, that would be great. I'm going to do some research here to see if I can find something online for proper heel toe shifter alignment from Harley Davidson. All right. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate your comments.